how to fix your Xfinity Wi-Fi box from, the orange blinking problem. Now, our first option here is to check for service outages. So basically the service goes down in a specific area. Now you're gonna have to go to the Xfinity Status Center or using the Xfinity My Account app. So if there's an outage, you'll have to wait for them to fix it. So just go ahead and search for the Xfinity Status Center and you should be able to find something like this. Click on that and you should be sent to their official website. Now the next is to restart your modem and router. So you can do this by, as you can see here, we have a beautiful blurry picture of a Xfinity Wi-Fi router. If you have a box, you can do the same. So it's basically just as simple as taking the main power source, so the plug, and from whatever outlet it is, just pull it out. That may look like speaker, but I swear that's a wall. Alright, let's just do that then. And just plug it out. Wait for at least 30 seconds to make sure. And just put it back in. So that should give the refresh your router needs. Now next is to check all cable connections. So basically the coaxial cables, the wall outlets, if it's loose it can cause a bit of problems. Now the next is to check your Wi-Fi signal. So ensure the Wi-Fi signal is on. Check your router's indicator lights to confirm that it's broadcasting Wi-Fi. And finally, if none of those work, then it might be a bit serious. So you're gonna have to contact Xfinity support. So just go ahead and search directly Xfinity support on your preferred browser and press on the first one and you should be sent to their customer support. But anyway, if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.